foot he goes? Oh, he's going towards Tyron. No! Oh, is it a Woodley fan? But my prediction is... What is up, people? Welcome back to another video. I'm Akif, Hameen, and today we're going to do a bit of a different video. So, on August 30th, 2021, Jake Paul's going to be fighting Tyron Woodley. And I wanted to give my prediction to you guys and tell y'all who I think would win the match. But before that, I wanted to try and see who my cats think would win the match. So I have, Tyron Woodley here. I have Jake Paul here. I'm gonna put some food on both of them. Just some food. I put food on there. I'm gonna see what my cats think and who my cats think would win the match. This is Fluffy. He pees a lot. I know. Let me just make sure he smells the food. Otherwise, because I tried this once and it didn't work. So let's see. Okay, he's going. Come. Let's see which foot he goes to. Oh, he's going towards Jake Paul. Oh, Jake Paul. He's eating Jake Paul's food. Oh, he's cheering for Jake Paul. I didn't expect that. Oh wow. 1 second. Some technical difficulty. He's cheering for Jake Paul. Okay, that's cat 1. Let's see cat 2. This is cat 2. It's Cookie. That's her name. She's just a random cat. Smell that. Smell that. Okay, come on. Come on. Food. Come on. Here. No. Okay, let's see where she goes. We'll put it a bit fun. Oh, she's looking at Jake. She's looking at Jake. Is she going to Jake? She's at Woodley. Oh, she smells Jake. Oh. Wow, she's picking Jake Paul too. Okay, she definitely picked Jake Paul. She's not eating the food, but she picked Jake Paul. So let me go to cat 3. And yes, I know I have a lot of cats, so you don't have to, just judge me. This is Snowball. She has nightmares. She actually does have nightmares. Let's go. She's running. No! Jake! Another Jake Paul fan. Oh wow. Why does everyone like Jake Paul? That's just, I don't understand. Okay. This is Blackie. Does he have the N-word pass? I don't think so, but let's see. Let's see what he picks. Please pick Woodley. Here, food. Here, food. Back. Come on. He's going. Oh, is it a Woodley fan? Is it a Woodley fan? Come on. I would say he doesn't like both. He just doesn't like boxing. 3 cats said Jake Paul. 1 cat said... actually, he didn't say anything. But my prediction is... Woodley winning knockout 3rd round. That's my prediction. Cats predicted that Jake Paul will win, but I don't predict that. I feel like Woodley will win. And if Jake Paul wins, yeah, good for him. But my prediction is Woodley 3rd round KO. That's about it, guys. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'll leave you all with a joke. The joke. What do you call cat? No, sorry. Where does cats go to have fun? Amusement park.